first Australians, first fleeters, and those who first took the oath of allegiance just a few weeks ago. Let's grasp this opportunity to craft a new future for this great land, Australia. Mr. Speaker, I commend the motion to the House.
Order. The question is that the motion be agreed to. The Leader of the Opposition.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Order. Whilst it might seem redundant, I ask members to signify their support. I invite honourable members to rise in their places. I thank the House.